Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Beldex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Beldex account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Beldex application on your device. The home page of Beldex will be displayed on the screen. Click on Create New Wallet option. Create a PIN code for your Beldex account. Re-enter your PIN code for confirmation and choose your wallet name. You also need to choose the seed language, then click on continue. If you want to save your attentive thermometer, tap on save. Once you're done, click on next. It will sign you up for your Beldex account in no time. This is how you can sign up for your Beldex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.